How to lower blood sugar levels, powerful tips for diabetics. While some of us are genetically predisposed to type 2 diabetes, it is now primarily a lifestyle disorder, but you know what? Now you can learn how to naturally lower blood sugar levels without taking medication by just changing your lifestyle. The majority of diabetes medications are only Band-Aid solutions. They fail to address the underlying cause of high blood sugar, which is the environment. Unlike medications, which only treat the symptoms, diet and lifestyle changes can reverse diabetes, but for that, your part of the effort is required. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. We can assist you on your diabetes journey. So, how do you lower your blood sugars? Well, there is no magic formula, and you won't be able to do it overnight. You'll have to focus and work hard, and you'll also have to be patient, not too aggressive, and not too fast, because overdoing it can lead to severe hypoglycemia, which can be very dangerous. However, we want to give you a few quick tips that have worked for many people. These tips can be implemented right away, and they help keep blood sugar between 4 and 8 millimoles for the majority of the time. However, these small tweaks can sometimes result in 2 massive peaks. Here are the following. 1. Stay active and exercise frequently. Exercise improves insulin sensitivity, and insulin is a hormone that breaks down sugars in our bodies. We want to be as sensitive as possible to help us lower our blood sugar, so we want to be as active as possible. Now, what kind of exercise is best? Focus on aerobic and resistance exercise, such as walking, hiking, or a light jog, or simply staying active throughout the day. On the other hand, anaerobic exercise that raises your heart rate quickly, such as sprints, is beneficial. High-intensity training or weightlifting isn't always the best way to lower blood sugar. In some cases, they can even raise it. 2. Eating the right food. Right food, but what does that mean? You should try to eat low-carb or no-carb food and replace carbs with fat or protein, which are much better for long-term stable low blood sugar and great healthy sources of energy with very little impact on your blood sugar. You should try to eat more foods with fiber, because fiber helps slow digestion and sugar absorption, which is really good for a constant lower blood sugar level. Foods with a lot of fiber are sweet potatoes, vegetables, and non-sweet fruit like avocado, for example. Avocado is probably my favorite food right now. 3. Consider eating and then going out. Rather than going out to eat more fresh fruit at home. Why? Because you have a lot more control over what goes on your plate if you cook it yourself. You never know what's in the food you're eating in a restaurant, how much sugar, how many carbs, and it's very difficult to control. Also, restaurants try to make the food taste really good, and it usually doesn't taste good because it has a lot of sugar, carbs, or sweet stuff in it. So be aware of that, and if you enjoy cooking, staying at home, and eating at home is definitely the way to go to lower your blood sugar. Just remember to count your carb and take your insulin with each carb and meal. 4. Staying hydrated is definitely one of the tips. Why? Because drinking plenty of water aids your kidneys in flushing excess blood sugar from your system via urine. I told you it would be simple, but you should avoid drinking alcohol, as it has added sugars which play a primary role in dehydrating your body. 5. Stressing is fatal. Do you have a realization that extreme stress can cause your blood sugar levels to skyrocket? So there's an example of how the body reacts to a very stressful condition, like if you have a very stressful situation in which you have a meeting between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m., you automatically cut on food, and this spike was solely caused by stress. Obviously, we don't have a magic formula to reduce everyone's stress levels, but being aware of this can help you be more proactive and manage stress levels as well as the insulin dosage you take during these situations. Stress, whether physical, mental, or emotional, has been shown to cause blood sugar levels to fluctuate. Don't bring your work stress home with you. In the same way, don't let a tense relationship exacerbate your diabetes symptoms. Regular yoga and meditation practice are some of the most effective ways to manage stress. 6. Planning your portion sizes is the key. A large meal puts a sugar load on your body, which is already struggling. Diabetics are harmed even more by overeating. Smaller portions are an easy way to naturally lower blood sugar levels. Don't worry, we're going to make you eat nothing. When you choose the right grains, proteins, and fats, portion control comes naturally. Make an effort to eat in moderation. Eat slowly and chew your food to achieve satiety, and give your brain a chance to tell you when you're full. You eat a lot more than you need if you wolf down your food mindlessly, which stresses out your body. 7. Test your blood sugar frequently or use a continuous glucose monitor, aka CGM. All of the tips that I've mentioned here have worked for many people, but everyone's body is different, so the more you test your blood sugar, the more information you'll have for decision making, and the better decisions you'll be able to make. So testing is the most important thing that will help you dramatically lower your blood sugar, because having all of the data will allow you to make a good decision. If you don't have data, you won't be able to make one. You could try scheduling a 15-minute meeting with yourself once a week and putting it on your calendar, and during these 15 minutes, just focus on reviewing your blood sugar trends from the previous week and see if you can spot any patterns that might require minor adjustments to your insulin dosage. It'll only take you 15 minutes, so instead of watching Netflix or doing something else that's not adding much value to your life, replace it with this short meeting with yourself. 8. Intermittent fasting. Fasting is one of the most effective ways to boost insulin sensitivity and naturally lower blood sugar levels. Today's science has demonstrated that it is not just what we eat that makes a difference. It's just as important as how we eat and when we eat. Intermittent fasting is a straightforward method. Eat for 12 hours and then fast for the remaining 12 hours. Eat only between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m., for example. This closely resembles the eating habits of our forefathers, who lived in a hunter-gatherer society. Eating in this manner follows the human body's natural rhythms, allowing the digestive system to rest for 12 hours. The eating window also helps our cells become more insulin sensitive. 9. Drop some pounds. Studies have shown that losing 5 to 10% of body weight can improve fitness levels in people with diabetes. Weight loss also improves cardiovascular health and lowers HbA1c levels. It also cuts down on the use of diabetes, hypertension, and cholesterol-lowering drugs. This is especially important if you have a lot of weight around your midsection. You can lose weight by eating fewer carbs and healthier fats, as well as exercising portion control. 10. Probiotics should be included in your diet. According to research, probiotics have a significant effect on lowering glucose, HbA1c, insulin levels, and insulin resistance in diabetics. Probiotics improve glucose metabolism by promoting a healthy gut microbiome. In diabetes type 2 patients, this improves their lipid profile, glycemic control, inflammation, and blood pressure. Increasing your intake of nutrients that support your body's ability to use insulin and can help you maintain a stable blood sugar level. We also recommend magnesium citrate, CoQ10 supplementation, D-chiroinositol, chromium, green tea extract, and pomegranate extract, in addition to vitamins, herbs, and spices that are good for diabetes. We hope you liked the video. If so, hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested at the end, just for you. See you in the next video.